Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. From me see the face, you know I want money ras, never too seen. Yeah man, it's been a while I not post a video. Don't worry yourself man. You don't know we have issues, we have problems, and we have to solve them. But I want your people, brand new, epic. I want to name The Search. Yeah man, and we are search for them, you see me? I want your mad sick head no good ask predator man. He will tell you what I go on, you see me? Now I'm going to talk it out too long. Just check out the movie. I'm out!
Yeah, man! It's all about M-O-M-E-Y. Money. Listen. Don't call my phone if you're not talk money. Don't waste my time if you're not talk money. Don't call my phone and tell me about nobody. A tile is all about the money. Don't call my phone if you're not talk money. Don't waste my time if you're not talk money. Don't call my phone and tell me about nobody. A tile is all about the money. Time is money and money is time. So oh some boy I waste them time. Sit down pan corner, scream cream lime. Money man a program every year.
You think you're going to buy a food man? You know like how we always, you know? Like how we always, you know, bother with it. Fast food something.
Sometimes I really start people, but you know, we still I deal with belly part. If the belly part, I tell you part, it's not a problem to me, you know. But I don't have time for that. You want to burn with and drink stuff. I cook one time and I can eat 4 or 3 times. I think I love doing something. And more better, when I run on this world and shop and this guy.
I don't like that.
I'm going to show something better. Real thing, I can do food, I do right.
The man when we cook up one pot, better you see? And I spend money, you see me?
Yeah, man, we know where I do. More better out there, you know? Yeah, man. But I go to my cook still nobody, I'm not to be my captain still and that. You know, me eat on 1 and 2 man, 2 way they look in. I'm going to watch this talk to it.
Yeah man, definitely, and I lie. Jimmy, which girl can talk to you, brother? You say no girl can talk to you, no brother. Do your own thing, you know. Jimmy, love me to the girl, them would have to love you, you know, and cherish you, you know. You see me? Because you're 2 a morning time when you wake up, and that me and see you, see me? And me have pretty fast food thing, but it's like you not free that, so give me a say. Yes, sir. That man, they must ready now. Done cook. You want me sure some my food done now, you know, brother. I'll go on to my food. Oh, in that pot? Nothing wrong. Let me go and steal this. Why, yo, man, the food is good, brother. The food bad, man, not like. Better to cook by yourself, you see? Better to cook you alone, brother. Swear. You can't buy food, you see? You may say, I look at drinks, brother, you see? I'm a soap from back. What, yeah?
Yo, brother. Morning.
Alright.
Yeah,
man. Blessed.
I'm kind of loose, man. I asked me about, brother. So me I never virgin like that, man.
You know, I just want to see them done because you know, star. I don't know what going on, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
You know what going with this, man. Yeah.
Now I see the man, you. I tell you, say, yo, I ask Indian what they are. You see him? And Indian I say the same thing, say him not see him, you see me?
See.
I ask you how long now you not see him?
Yeah, man. a couple of weeks now, no?
So like
Weeks now, I start him up, you know, but...
So here me I say now, me I say yo, you say him can't come back around, you know, like that me I try to tell blacks, you know. I'm gonna try to warn him all the while, say yo, certain people, brother.
You must smell the rat, because you know, say, he mess up along the lines.
You see? Must smell the rat. You see me I say? So,
Smell the rat, yeah?
just come link your boss if you see him or if you know any way where he might chill, where he might stay.
Only hoping come
You
around.
don't know where he must stay.
You
don't know no way he must stay.
You don't know nothing about him like that.
And you don't see him yesterday.
I see him yesterday.
Not the day before.
You don't see me over 2 weeks now, so that's what I say.
So it's like him take off, him tighten up him lace.
He been gone.
Run him around.
Run where so.
And foreign him gone.
I can't foreign. You see it.
Most foreign him gone. Alright, you may say.
Yeah, man, you go down there on the car, there's a lot of people and you never see me.
I want thugs, you know. Come on, you have to watch them. Alright? You say if you see him, just tell him link. See?
Let's send up money, let's send up money.
Alright. Big up yourself. Yeah.
Up in general.
Alright. Mom.
Up.
Where are you? Where are you?
Study.
Okay. Alright.
Do you see black?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Which one are black?
The blacks will sell fruits. When I did sports day yesterday.
Hmm? Which one you see him?
Right I market uptown.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Alright, then I can check and see if I see him. Now check it and see if I see him, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. You still have more than that.
You know my boy they tell me say him see the one blocks down the road door. On Market Lane.
Hey. Something goes on, man. But I lie, man.
Can't lie my tell but you don't know. So now go see something and tell me I lie. You see it like that.
But still now. I can't show it to you now. Now look at me see.
Yeah man, active up no man. Do the right thing. Do it man, do it.
Come on, you know me see him. I'll call you. I make you know it's a boy, I see him. Come over there.
Yeah. Alright then.
Yo, MoneyRas.
So go on.
You know, say me look at me not see him though.
Oh, eh?
Yeah, that's 2 bedroom and Rasta me ask and Rasta say not see him. A couple more bedroom on the road me ask and me see him and I say boy I don't see him.
All this money hard to find, sister. We are look, we are search. John know. Alright then, don't say nothing.
But you don't know, it's when a man listen stuff. You have to know say boy yo. They're not going to foreign or they're going to dead house or I got a prison, isn't it?
Alright, yeah man. Forget it man, don't worry yet. You see me? Yeah, believe no man.
Yeah man, the only way. So we have to search the dead house and the place and find out, that's it.
Oh, alright then, don't say nothing man. We must see him man, yo. We must see him. Cause we want to see him in a man. We want to make sure and set things straight, you know? Make him know so we ain't no folly thing, we ain't no joke thing, we don't like them style. You see it? You see it? So no come around with him or come with them style, they ain't no joke thing. So do what you do man, we'll link up, yeah. Alright. On Indian. So you don't know, say, brother, the one blacks me look for, brother. I don't see him, I don't know what go on. I don't know if you see him.
The blacks never they go out there, so what go on?
Why I don't know what go on. I look for him there because I be a follow him and go on with that. I'm a brethren that tell me, say, you see?
Not so.
I don't see him, you know?
Yeah.
Good while now, I don't see him, I don't know what go on for him, you see me?
Yeah. So now you're on for the turf and they are going
No, so on the road for the turf. You say, if there's somewhere down the line, I'm not sure I wet. So I may say, yo, if you see it. But you may say, if you see it, just let me know.
Yeah, man.
See me?
Nah, give me that, man.
Yeah,
You don't know.
if you don't know the things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, black man, what go on, black man?
I'm there, I'm a gangster.
Glad me see you, you know. You may say, you know me running an Indian not too long, and they tell me say, yo, the one blacks jail in the dog, I wear search for him, can't find him, man end up at jail. Yeah, no, me I say, what is father?
I'm back.
And I style that.
That time you say me got a court with all the command now. And you got a court with the command boy. You come like say, you don't know what going on there. I'll place me get back on William Street, back on again Zella there.
Oh, so a broke thing go on, a broke a place. Oh.
I don't know if I'm still, but yesterday they ring a phone after court done or something.
You don't know, some of the ask Indian what go on, and they must go like him don't know what go on. And just as tell me say, yo, the dog gone to jail.
Yeah,
so
man.
I say, I hear what? I stop look for him now, you see me?
Yeah, man,
I find out what go on. Say, here what now, I make some move, I make some link and say I can link him here.
Alright.
I make him get some things in that place.
Yeah, man,
you don't know, say,
I want to always see him here.
yeah, you don't know the thing, man. See?
Yeah,
So I say not little more.
Yeah,
See,
man,
brother?
big up yourself,
Alright.
no problem.